The R18 Pro innovation never stops. Passion defines the future. Every detail is crafted for performance. More power to handle the toughest task, using this force to keep your driving longer, smarter, and stronger. The comfortable operating environment allows you to focus on continuous operation. An LCD display allows you to monitor equipment status in real time. Details like warning light, explosion-proof valves, and thermal resolution reflects quality signs out. From every angle, it embodies a blend of strength and aesthetics, helmet design, and multiple safety features ensure worry-free operation. The Reinforced structural design and dual counterweights makes the machine more stable and durable. From start to finish, seamless and natural. The counted head-like steam enables smooth and complex operation, enhancing digging and swaying flexible, and easily handling complex working conditions. The R18 Pro features a brand new head-like steam with a landing steam valve and variable displacement position pump. This results in a 20% increase in efficiency and an industry-leading range. Cool Power ready for action, equipped with a Cobalt D902 engine. It combines powerful power with ultra-low fuel consumption. Each all-terrain trick steam ensures steady progress even in complex terrain. Pilot operate, dual button left and right handles, equipped with a forward reversible switching valve, delivering stable performance and long life. The four-wheel cruising hoods are compactly arranged and driven by precision hand-like cylinders, providing faster response and more stable control. A head-like quickly change switch allows attachment switch in seconds, enable a single machine for multiple use, significantly increasing productivity. The adaptive retractable trick allows for compact and flexible operation in narrow space and rock-solid stability in open air. The side swing bomb allows for greater maneuverability, enable price cornering and tricking. The tailless design eliminates tail interference, ensuring safety and efficiency in confined space. The high and low speed track motor can switch between two modes: high-speed transition and low-speed operation, regardless of the model. It performs excellently. The R18 Pro Boeing 4 Challenge destined to strive for perfection. No matter how complex working conditions, it is easy to handle them with powerful power and stable performance, making perfection more than just a slogan.